Namaskar. Today we will learn about partnership business, a form of business organization. At first, we have to know about the partnerships and partner. Partnerships are called a joint venture. It is an association of two or more persons who co-own a business for the purpose of making a profit. The persons who have entered into the partnership are individually known as partners. The business organization run as a partnership is called as firm. According to the Partnership Act 1932, the partnership is explained as a partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Now we will learn about various kinds of partners: active or working partner, inactive or sleeping partner, nominal partners, minor partner, secret partner, partner in profit only, and partner by estoppel. These are various kinds of partner. Now we will learn about active or working partner. In case of active or working partner, the partner takes an active part in the management of firm's business and bears an unlimited liability for the debts of the firm. An inactive partner usually contributes the capital to the firm. In contrast, inactive or sleeping partner are those partners who do not actively participate in the management of business. However, an active or sleeping partner contributes the capital and shares any profit or loss of the business. So the liability of inactive partner for the debt of the firm is unlimited. Nominal partners are those partners who lend their name to the firm as a partner only. But the nominal partner does not invest any capital or not claim any share in the profit of the business. He or she does not participate in the business management and also bears unlimited liabilities for the debts incurred by the firms. Minor partners are those partners who are treated as a permanent partner below the age of 18 years or minor age. Such partner does not enjoy the rights of fully involvement in the partnership business, as they are not competent for any official contract as they are minor, while he or she usually entitles a share in the profit and property of the firm. On the attaining of the maturity or attainment of the age of 18 years, he or she has a choice to continue as a partner or not for the running of the business or firm. Secret partners are those partners who do not want to be the fact of his being a partner to be known to the outsiders, and liability of the firm's debt is unlimited. Partners in profit only categorizes as the partner who invest the capital only with a view to earn a share in profits of the firm and has no liabilities as regards to any losses suffered by the firm. For him or her, the liability of the firm's debt is unlimited. So it is clear that in case of partners in profit only, the partners are liable to earn a share in profit only, but not in case of loss. Partner by estoppel are those partners where the partner is mistaken as a partner of the firm by the third party and will be held liable to all those third parties who extend credit to the firm on the assumption of his or her being a partner. So all these are various kinds of partners in partnership business as a forms of business organization. Now we will discuss about various salient features of partnership business. Question will arise in our mind that what is the minimum number of the partner to run any partnership business? In partnership business, two or more persons up to a maximum are joined together to share any profit made by the firm. But in case of banking firm, 10 number of persons can join together to form a banking firm. Partnership business are formed on the basis of agreement, which may be of oral or written, in between the concerned person, which is called as partnership deed. In case of partnership business, the profit made by the partnership must be distributed among the partners in the agreed ratio mentioned in the partnership deed. Partners cannot transfer his or her share to an outsider without the consent of other partners. Each partner of the partnership business firm has unlimited liability. If and when a partnership is dissolved, the firm does not necessarily stand dissolved. It depends on the remaining partners whether to continue the firm or not. Partnership can be automatically dissolved when the term for which the partnership is required to be entered into expires or when a partner dies or retires. There are several important advantages of partnership business. Like a partnership is quite easily formed in comparison to other forms of business organization. Decision to initiate a partnership organization is quite prompt since partners can meet as and when required. Partners may pool their individual resources to collect enough finance for smooth running or expansion of the business. In partnership business, there is a greater efficiency in day-to-day conduct of the business on account of the personal interest taken by the partners in the business management. The unlimited liabilities of the partners and services as an important security to the creditors who lend money to the firm. In case of partnership business, any loss incurred by the firm is shared by all the partners. Thereby, it reduces risk to the business as a whole. The partnership business can be expanded by extending the partnership provided the number of partners does not exceed 20. A balanced judgment is made regarding the partnership business issue, avoiding individual preferences and prejudices. A partnership firm has a longer existence because it is not dependent on any one person. There are also some disadvantages of partnership business. Often it is very difficult to maintain the mutual understanding and good relationship among the partners. A dishonest or incompetent partner may land the firm in difficulties because his or her acts would also bind the firm and remaining partners. There is a lack of stability in the partnership business. The public does not have much faith in partnership business. Large scale business cannot generally be run on partnership basis due to some legal ceiling on the number of partners and limited resources. Partners usually bear an unlimited liability for the debts of the firm or business organization. Thank you.